Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with CAIRA. Today's video I am showing you guys what is in my lunchbox again. So the reason why I'm doing this video again is because I am using my Hotlogic mini oven for the third time this week to do a TV dinner. Now let me just tell y'all, these TV dinners are heating up in the Hotlogic mini oven great. So that is the reason why I wanted to share that with you guys again. So let me just show you the meal that I have for today. So for today, I have a Dr. Pepper strawberries and cream that I'm going to put in the refrigerator. Then again, being on top of the TV dinner, it might get cold, so who knows. I have a Funables little pack of fruit snacks to pop when I just need a snack. I also have some Ruffles. These Ruffles are sour cream and onion. I have some birthday cake Oreos that I can dip in some milk while at work. I also have a Chobani Greek vanilla yogurt. I do like to add granola to this, so I do need to get like a little bag of the birthday cake granola. I also have some Cape Cod salt and vinegar chips that I am going to put down in here. And then here is my meal that I'm going to make today. So today's meal is a Smart Ones. This is a 3-cheese ziti marinara. Yesterday the pasta was ready within like an hour, so I think that this is really great that I'm able to put it into my Hotlogic and just kind of like let it run and let it roll, because I don't have to worry about going to heat it up. I don't have to worry about the instructions on the back. The instructions on the back basically tell you to remove the tray from the carton, pull back a corner of the film to vent, and then put it in there for 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Then take it out and stir it, and then put it back in there on 1 minute, and then stir and enjoy. Well, that just takes up 4 minutes and 15 seconds of my break right there, so I decided to just do it in the Hotlogic. So I'll put it in around 9 before we head out for recess. When we come in from recess, I'll check it, and then around 10:30 I am going to stir it and then just like leave it in the Hotlogic just to give you guys an idea of how this works. So the good thing about this is that I do not like waiting and using up my whole break for a bunch of stuff. So with that being said, I got my lunch packed right here. I just have to add the granola. This morning I am making me another Javi iced coffee. If you guys are interested, I will have the link for Javi along with my code posted here on the screen. So here it is. I have the Javi coffee concentrate. This is the French vanilla one. And then I also have the French vanilla cold foam creamer. And I have French vanilla coffee creamer. Alright, so here is my Javi iced coffee, French vanilla style. I'm going to go ahead and add on that cold foam creamer. This just sits on top of my drink. Add my lid. And it honestly makes it look like I actually went to Starbucks, because I got this cup from Starbucks for $2 a couple months ago.